Yeah, no, this match will put up a good score. We're blue.
You don't even need to put up a good score. You just need to literally just get the 5 RP.
Yeah. Ooh, a blue banner.
Just do the thing you've been doing all day.
Yeah.
It's okay for the transition hopper to be a half hopper, right?
Yeah.
It's better to get something there.
I literally just like get a first little sweep of balls and then come back immediately. Or we can even just start doing the depot at the beginning.
No.
These guys will be pushing towards the left. They should be in the Nashoba's way, if anything. So not our problem.
3205 is probably coming defense, right?
Defenders we're worried about.
3205.
That's the same one that played defense on
That's
us.
the team that beat us in auto, but Nashoba's worrying about that. 2160 might hit us in auto.
Okay.
So I don't know.
We should.
And then 1474 probably will play defense of 3205. But these guys, they're so last match. What did you get from the defense? Because we're playing the same defense.
Very aggressive. Got to take our safe shots or whatever they feel like. I think it would be a good idea to talk to Nashoba about possibly setting a pick. If 3205 is really getting to one of us, like set a pick, let them, you set a pick for them, Nashoba unloads their hopper, they set a pick for us, we unload our hopper, right? Like
Swap out.
Yeah. Just a thing to talk to them about.
We don't need a high score. We just got the 360 because we're being defended fitting.
Yeah.
Don't shoot.
It'll be good, guys.
You blacklisting shooting.
Yeah. I'm trying more trench shots in the.
Stay on the right. Remember, stay on the right.
Yeah.
What is our
Thank you.
second revive?
Pushing balls.
4628 is a thing that'll push blocks to the left side.
Can you just make sure that they know to just shove through the tunnel and get out really quick?
They're not touching. I don't think they're touching the tunnel.
They're shoving another bomb.
I'm not sure.
How are their balls getting to us?
I think I thought it's just pushed to the side. They might go to the tunnel, but
Nashoba
I think Nashoba's going to just clean up right there. I'll talk to them about it. That's
cool.
Yeah. All right.
Now. Sounds good.
Yeah.
We were just talking to our strategy people. What's up? Oh. Thank you. Yeah, I took my hoodie off and it's in there. So we were just talking about it. A lot of teams in California, they set picks for each other almost.
Yeah.
So like there's 3205 is definitely coming for defense. When they come over, kind of like if you guys want to pick, I'll give you one. You unload your hopper real quick. And then you guys come over, set us one. We unload our hopper. Just a good way to get both of our hoppers off. Then we go intake, then do the same thing. We'll just have you two guys communicating for it. So yeah.
We kind of assume we'll defer any fuel in our zone to you guys.
Okay.
We'll run out, try to keep us fed.
Okay.
Any fuel in our zone is open call, guys.
Okay. We don't know where it went. The pin's gone, so.
Oh, you're back. Yeah. You're on the pin now?
Yeah, it's the backup pin. I don't know where our real one is, but.
So you're expecting defense from the same team as last time.
Yeah.
Be conscious of that. I forget what driver's station. We'll find out.
I'm not going to use the tower for protection. I'm going to use the trench and stuff, and then.
Don't forget, they're gonna come immediately out during the transition cycle, and they're gonna play
Make it
midfield
quick and get out of
defense.
there.
Literally, just fake one way, counter roll the other way, and then spin underneath. You don't have to get a full hopper.
Yeah.
You just get a
Just
cycle.
get some balls, yeah. Or is it better off setting a pick for 1768 to get them in there? Just get balls in.
If you play it right, they're not gonna affect either of us.
Okay.
Open field defense is generally pretty ineffective, so
Yeah.
you should be able to get it right.
Just gotta hit a little shimmy, you know?
Make sure to spin the robot though.
I will spin.
And you initiate the spin a little bit beforehand. And
Yeah.
if you hit them bumper to bumper, they're gonna lock your rotation.
Yeah.
Right? So you don't want that.
And then that's when I have to back off and spin.
That's why you want to hit them with the point of the bumper and spin off.
All right, let's go. We got driver station. I know, but like, oh, if they just played that defense on us last match, of course they're actually come do it again. And they played good defense. So. They got eased up by a ball. We just gotta track where's their driver station. That's what matters. Just wait a second.
All right, we're good.
Oh, yeah. Me. Perfect lineup. Not bad. Good. Is it that way? Good. Cool. All right. Good.
Yeah, I think they just rolled it.
Have fun. Yeah, I'm looking for pieces. We're good. Nothing?
We're good.
All right. Matt. So they're in the middle driver's station again, so this area is in the yard.
Yeah.
Sweet spot.
Your blind
That,
spot's like
and
right
even,
here.
even this trench is pretty protected for us.
The trench is pretty good for you too. Yeah.
Yeah. So, we'll keep over here, okay?
All the way to
Yeah.
match
Alright.
number
You got that.
60. And say hello to team 1474. It's the
Yes.
Titans. And in the middle, spinning their way through the competition team.
They're in the middle
32,
station,
05,
so our
the
protected
Patriots.
area.
And of course, running on their alliance team, 21,
We need to shoot from the
68,
tower. Let's do left side of the
Aluminum
tower.
Falcons.
Or the opposing, or I guess we'll do either trench.
Yep.
And then,
We're
you
gonna
know,
get
trench
right
shots
over
on
to the
X,
blue
tower
alliance
Yep.
side of the
Tower shots
field.
on A.
and then we should have tuned up the
Saying
long shot a
hello to
little
our
bit.
friends.
So
It's 46,
And then,
28, Sintian Robotics.
If it's 2168
And
playing
in the middle is
defense,
their partners,
chance.
Chance. Number 2
Oh,
here
things
at
over here.
WPI
We'll stay on the right side then.
1768,
Yep.
Nashoba Robotics. Rounding out the Blue Alliance, currently ranked number 1 here at WPI. It's team 3467, Windham Windup.
All right, you good?
cool. Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
We got the right auto.
Yeah.
Left.
in and out during the transition period. Just any nearby balls get back as quick as possible.
Yep.
After transition, I assume we'll swap sides.
Yep.
Okay.
Should we tell them that? That's fine.
What?
I was gonna say, should we tell them that like we might be playing that zone a little bit for protection from their view?
I mean, if someone's playing D, then it'll be obvious.
Yeah.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first. Osh Cut is the premier metal cutting service for first teams. No minimum order, options for same-day turnaround, 3D tube laser cutting, and with nearly 500 variations of metal in stock and ready to cut. Just upload a file and claim your 50% off discount when you scan the QR code or go to funroboticsnetwork.com/OSHCUT.
The better it is. Because they're gonna
Number 60.
Well, you get them driving, the better.
Behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
It's 60 of 78, starting off with a bit of a collision
Hi, ball.
happening in the middle of the field. Doesn't look like it deterred our blue box.
There we go. There we go.
Oh,
Look at that.
Not quite making all of those shots there from the red
There we
side.
go. All right, we went
you
auto.
got pile of balls in your blind spot. Go right to it.
already, so we're good. Get that 360.
Yep.
10,
Sweep
9, 8, 7,
Come back over.
6, 5,
Close shot.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
All
get
right,
back
go.
on.
Transition over. Now we're going
Sweep.
on over to
Yep.
red.
Sweep for the trench after this.
A lot of movement happening.
18.
You got one in your blind spot, far trench.
Blue is trying to bury everything they can.
Close trench.
Over to their
12
side.
seconds.
Red is
10,
not happening.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot.
You got close trench here. The show is going out.
Birds of prey really trying to get in the way.
Slip in there, get that hopper empty.
15 seconds, 15 seconds left.
On the other side, it looks like they're not focusing on defense, though. They're just focusing on stealing a bunch
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
right here.
2, 1.
All right, get that mid zone. 20 seconds.
Go steal. You got 60
Steal
seconds.
far corner. Watch that
All the way
intel.
up. Take it easy.
Slip back.
10,
10. Get back.
9,
Push
8,
all these through.
7, 6,
Push to the
5,
trench.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Brendan would have liked that.
Really good. All right, you got a ton of bones. You got like 3 hopper pulls.
Well, nice and full. All right, 19.
19 seconds left.
16.
You're on for the rest of the match.
I'm going back out.
Yep, go out.
No, their hub. Yeah, we'll get that next.
1768.
Drop the ball. Start shooting.
They're coming in.
30 seconds.
You
I'm
got a
going
little
now.
bit
I have to go.
down
I
here.
have to go out.
Steal.
No, not in 30 seconds.
Fill up. 20 seconds
Push
left.
them through the trench. Shoot.
Game where anyone can score 42.
Sweep the corner balls after this. 12 seconds. Browning. Just empty the hopper.
6, 5, 4,
Yep.
3,
Shoot.
2, 1.
New England high score. New England high score.
Great match, guys.
Good match. Good match. Good match.
FMS was saying 662.
Yeah.
662?
Yeah.
It's a win.
New England high score, baby.
The Blue Alliance, specifically with a score.
Oh yeah! Let's go. There we go. Good match. All right, let's get the bot.
Over 100, of course, 142.
Good clean match.
Good match, guys.
521 on the blue side. That is officially the New England high score.
Can you come talk to us after the match and tell us what they said?
Yeah, pretty good. We gotta work on our ball management a little bit more.
To the Blue Alliance walking away with 5 ranking points and holding on to number 1, number 2, and increasing to 16. Congratulations to the Blue Alliance.
No. They scored 646. All right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, good match. No, 68. But we still have that replay later. It's fine. You good? Spin. All right, let's get back. Yeah, definitely. You have an A-match gap, so.
Match, buddy.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. Much better match.
Touched a little bit.
Yeah.
It's also not too bad.
Nashoba's talking to them about no pin counts for them, so I told them to come talk to us when they're done. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Osh Cut is the premier metal cutting service for first teams. No minimum order, options for same-day turnaround, 3D tube laser cutting, and with nearly 500 variations of metal in stock and ready to cut. Just upload a file and claim your 50% off discount when you scan the QR code or go to funroboticsnetwork.com/OSHCUT. True competitors know that every second counts. That's why Kettering University challenges you to dive in right away as a first-year student. Participating in robotics programs helps Kettering students secure a valuable co-op. Whatever your interests, Kettering gives you more space to work faster and win faster. Learn more at kettering.edu/first.